Content objective for this lesson is that the best scientists will be able to use a sundial to explain Earth's rotations and revolution around the sun. One of the vocabulary words for our lesson today is sundial, and a sundial is a tool that shows the time of day by the position of a shadow. We also have the word rotation, and that is when the Earth makes a complete spin on its axis, and the word revolution, which is the movement of the Earth around the sun. In order to make our sundial, we are going to need some materials. So I am going to use just a blank paper plate like this. I have a pencil, I have a Sharpie or any kind of marker works, and then I also have this Model Magic clay, but you can use anything like Play-Doh. If you have some kind of putty or any other clay will work fine. The first step in making our sundial is to fold our paper plate in half this way, and I want to try my best to make a crease along my fold. Now I am going to open it up, and I'm going to use my Sharpie or your marker to make a line going down that middle. You can use a ruler if you want to make sure your line is nice and straight. Now that I have that line going down the middle, I am going to fold it in half going the opposite direction. So I'm going to fold my plate this way, and I am also going to make sure that I create a crease down the middle of the plate. I am going to do the same thing and draw a line going down the middle on that crease. And again, if you have a ruler handy, you can use that ruler to make your lines straight. Now that we have divided our plate into 4 sections, I am going to take my clay and I'm going to place it right in the middle where my 2 lines intersect. Now I can go ahead and take my pencil and stick it right in the middle, right where those 2 lines intersect. In order to use your sundial, you are going to go outside on a sunny day and place your plate right in the sun. Today I'm going to use a flashlight instead of going outside. So if you take a look, my flashlight is acting like the sun here, and I am going to use my Sharpie and trace the line where my shadow is right now. And it is about 3 o'clock, so I'm going to go ahead and label that line 3 p.m. You are going to go outside at different times of day to look at the shadow and see how the shadow is different. Question to think about while looking at your sundial is, why does the shadow move depending on the time of day? You are going to have a chance to write about your thinking in either Google Classroom or Schoology to reflect on our work today.